Hello everyone, this is Arif Irfanullah and I'm happy to announce the release of IFT's High Yield Video Lecture Series. So let me spend a moment on this high yield analogy. We are calling this high yield because your major investment is time, and in a very short period of time you can learn the most important concepts from the level 1 curriculum. So in that sense your yield is very high, and this is somewhat similar to high yield bonds where the yield can be quite high. But I have to point out that as with high yield bonds, the risk is also high. So you can spend a short amount of time, you can learn a lot, but if this is all that you do, then it is a risky strategy. And therefore we suggest that this high yield lecture series should be complemented with other ways of learning. Now let me tell you a little more about this series. What I've tried to do is capture the most important points from every reading in 15-minute lectures. In these lectures, I cover the most important concepts. These are concepts that I believe have the highest probability of being tested. Now, if you want to study more thoroughly, then I would recommend that you sign up for our free level 1 package where I spend a lot more time on each reading. But if you are extremely busy and just have a few minutes to review a reading, then these lectures are ideal. I also want to warn you that where there are facts to remember, I am essentially reading from the slides. So the intent is that you hear me talk about the most important concepts and then you remember them. I'm quite confident that you will find this lecture series useful. Best of luck with your studies.